Good morning everybody on YouTube, this is Phil. I'm at Paxton Pits and this morning I'm going to go around the Meadow Trail. On my right here is a visitor centre, locked up, nobody here. Just look at that right there. Well, that was a female blackbird. Right, so through the gates, up along there and to the right. She's got 8 young ones, or a day I should say. Now this is part of the Hailing Lake. And this path takes you right back round past some allotments back to those kissing gates that we came through a little bit earlier. So I'm going to just nip down here, see if there's anything at the bottom of this lake, and then head on back and continue round the meadow trail towards the river trail. About 10 minutes ago I spoke to a lady who says she hasn't seen these in a couple of days. Well, here they are. Right, we're on the meadow trail heading towards the river trail, and just up here is a place called the beach. I'm sure you will see why when we arrive there. They say it takes about an hour to walk around here. I've been 45 minutes already. That's because I keep stopping to look. I don't just walk round. This is the beach. And all that gravel down there really does make it look like a beach, doesn't it? Now if I continue to bear left, this will take me back to the Heron Trail. So if we turn right, which I'm going to do, it takes me down to the river trail. And this takes me right along the side of the river.